Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grilling. Chris here, and this is episode number 8 of my Sunday shoutouts. It is a series where I will mention 2 or 3 channels that I think everybody needs to check out. I'll put a link to last week's episode up here. Now, first off, I just want to apologize for my lack of cooking videos lately. Things have been extremely busy around here. Both of the kids playing ball, that's been 2 nights a week. I play ball 1 night a week, and then our weekends have just been absolutely crazy right now. What with Mother's Day, Tracy's birthday, Gavin's birthday, which was just this past Friday, so happy birthday to Gavin, and then Madison and my birthday on the same day in a couple of weeks. So it has just been ridiculously busy around here. So hopefully in the very near future I can get a lot more cooking videos out. Now, getting back to the matter at hand, channel number 1 is Grammy Vulture. Link to her channel right up there. Not strictly a cooking channel, but she does have some pretty cool recipes on her channel, so you need to check that out. Give her some love. So channel number 2 is Little Kitchen Big Food. He's fairly new on YouTube, but he's got some great videos, some great cooking videos. Just, I think a couple of days ago, just released a quick video on the prep work that goes into making sure his work area is nice and clean before he shoots a video. So check that out. And then channel number 3 for this week is Harshman Barbecue. Again, another fairly new channel on YouTube, so go and check that out as well. And all 3 channels this week, I believe, are under 200 subscribers, so make sure you check them out, give them some love. I'm sure they would appreciate that. That is it for me for this week for episode 8. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. I would really appreciate that. And as always, leave me a comment down below if there are some channels that you think I need to shout out in the future. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.